Hello, my name is José Mauricio Perez. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Acacias Meta. I live with my parents also in Acacias. I am topographer and I am studying industrial engineering. My family is composed of six people, including me. I like watching movies. I don't like hypocrisy. My hobby is mixing electronic music, and in my daily routine, I wake up every day at 5:40 a.m. I brush my teeth, I prepare my breakfast, I'm going to work. After my work, I start studying, and after studying, I going to sleep. Thanks.